We're going to be installing our Retrofit Innovation booster. That's going to help us a lot, considering running a real hot cam in this thing. Not going to have a whole lot of vacuum. Should be pretty trick.
Like a real nice and tight fit, so it doesn't wiggle. You don't even need nuts on her now. Favorite tool in the box. Next.
Look how close he has that instruction set right up to his face.
Once you beat bracket on with hammer, see it says it right in the direction. Before securing bracket to firewall, make sure it is level to the vehicle. Yeah. Okay, secured to the firewall. Next, all thread coupler, threading into booster, and yoke to the other end. All you hot rodders should know, once you start throwing big old 3/4 race cams in there, you know, your vacuum isn't enough to help out with the brakes. So this is a real nice innovation to, see what I did there?
I like that.
To help out and combat some of that and still have really good brakes that feel really nice. Ciao.